The Mazda CX-5 key fob battery replacement is a simple DIY task. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the key fob case. Carefully insert the tool into the seam of the fob and gently pry it open. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic casing. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. This process is universal across CX-5 model years 2012 to 2025, with no variations for different trims. With the case open, locate and remove the depleted CR2032 battery. Note the correct orientation. The positive plus side should face up towards the circuit board. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Incorrect placement can cause malfunction or rapid battery drain. Snap the case back together, ensuring a tight fit to prevent water damage. Test the fob by unlocking the vehicle from 20 to 30 feet away to confirm it's working. Dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center.